Alright, today we're gonna draw a flower. Okay, let's get started. So, I want you to draw a circle right here. Okay. And then now, you could use a pencil or very light gray. Let's draw lightly in the beginning, okay? I'm gonna draw just, okay, fine. I'll draw a little bit darker for you so you can see, okay? So, let's draw a circle right here, but you guys draw lightly, okay? Okay. Here's a petal. Here's another petal. Here's another petal. And another petal. Alright, now let's draw one more petal here. Here. And a petal here. And a petal here. How many petals do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and then this part is called the stem. And then on the stem, so let's draw 2 lines here. And then a leaf right here. And then the leaf, it has little veins right here. Okay, just one leaf. Alright, and then let's draw put little dots here. These are the seeds. Okay, so let's start coloring. Let's go for a very light orange, or what color is this? This is kind of like a reddish orange. I'm just gonna quickly lightly color it. Okay, color it lightly. So flowers, they have different color petals, and then this is what color we're gonna color our petals. You could choose another color if you want. This is like an orangey red. And we're gonna color the 8 petals. So I have a layer of light reddish orange. I'm gonna color the inside here, where the seeds are, yellow. Okay. And then I'm gonna go to the stem here. Color it light green. I'm gonna color this leaf green too. And then if you have other colors, you could put a shade of darker green right here on one side. And then I'm gonna outline this leaf. Dark green. Dark green right here. Put a little bit dark green on the veins. There. So this, let me write this down. This is the stem. Okay, that's the stem right there. Let me zoom in on this. Okay, stem. And this is the leaf. Okay, leaf. And then these. So let's put more red into here now. These are the petals. Let's write this down. If it's one petal, this is how we write it. But now there's many of them. We're gonna write petals. Okay. And then inside over here, let's use yellow. We call it, oh, you can't see it. Let's use orange. Seeds. Okay, these are the seeds. Okay, I'm gonna put a layer of orange on the petal too. I put a layer of orange on these petals. Maybe I should put some more color onto the petals. Let's find a dark. Okay, let's use this red. Just gently outline the petals, okay? Just put a light outline around the petals. You see how what I'm doing here? Just a little bit. You don't want too much. Just put a red outline around the petal. There, I'll put an outline there. Just color a little bit on the outside. Near the edge of these petals. There we go. Look at this flower. It's popping out a little bit more. There, and that's our flower. So one more time. The seeds. Let me make the seeds more obvious. Let's use black. I'm gonna put some black dots here. Here's the seeds. And then these 8 things are called petals. These are the petals. This long thing, green thing over here is the stem. And here's the leaf. Alright, great job guys. And I'll keep practicing. Maybe you could draw many other flowers. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O